You come here to Klikor. God from heaven cannot come down to help you or anything. It is through someone that God can help you. See, traditionalists are there to protect everyone and the whole world. Are you getting it? Because God has never made anyone to suffer in life. You know, there's some of our viewers or some of our brothers and sisters, they live overseas. You understand? And they have properties, maybe lands and houses that they left down for some people to be watching over for them.
Okay.
And before they have stayed overseas for years, those people has gone to places to take control of those places.
Okay.
And when they come back, it becomes problems for them. We have things or we have gods that normally do such works.
Yo, in Penfone, Ashafo, Yamama Kwaba, and Edesu, Ediba Kabacha TV. So, and that's who Emrene Drew said, Yadi and Dada Jumedia, Amamre free, and Eddie Ebebremu. Titino, Yahonse, Yananumundi, Amamre, any Amanie, and any D Juma, Yahonse, Esuomi, and Nemremu, Yahonse, in Kwalayaba, Yere free, Yanamamreno, into Kabacha TV, Yaja Edia to Yahonso say, Ebetching or my Nimunina, and the whole of Africa, na afe Amamrena, and then Kwalayaja to ono, Yan Kabacha TV, Yabesa Akofa, Edia Bebrium, Senebea, Yabesia, Adi, Edia Frim, na Edi Eboy, Senana, Yanananumu, Efi, Infistia Seno. Inti se ene yo first time o share ya o share Kabacha TV. Make sure say o be subscribe ya na wa twen be insoma bi na fi odawa bi beba e wo screen na se na wa mia edom ne so fiti ene eko video fufuro bia ye de betu yen channel ne so no only first person na usa ebeka afi so make sure say o be like yen Facebook page enu se Kabacha TV se o like page na afi wa share video no e de amai comment bia e wo no ana se question bia person obi saye no o de ja to ye be kinkan e ho mwa ye bia ye wo no ye de ebe ma sanso e na ye wo TikTok ne so ye Kabacha TV share video no Jai comment near SMB no de jai to ye be keka fi e ho mwa ye bia e wo no ye de ebe ma sam re de ye ba be PM e wo akuro bi a ye fra ho Agbozume Klikor eho ena ye wo ene edi nti ye bebo apin opanyi ba kwa ye san aka no a onim owo nimdie efa ye na mamre eni sena na Africans anase Ghana for titimremu no ye njuma no ye bo apin no na fi ye ni edi nkomo na nia onim anase nia obetimi atwere edi afa amamre ne hu no odi atodwa edi amaye sena be ye nso ye besua ade edi film na edi ebuayen eni enchirima eba samre de ye try ye hu mreta we be ye ko na se ye ba ye ni nanano ebe start edi nkomo. Alright, in penny for some of my quaba biom yadawasi say, Mwatwe amaya koji ye krato aba. Afide ye bebo apin opinion na yenini edi inkomo. For the benefit of the doubt, ebia unim nipakwa yenini edi inkomo. Mi kra mi wawe ene mi first time aminini esha impuni impu. Enti yebesre yebebo apin ono ankasa bebo ni din bebi a owo ejuma odi ewo na so ye no odi betudwa edi amayen senebe ya yebehu nipa tutura yenini edi ene inkomo. Opinion. We welcome you to Kabacha TV.
Thank you. I welcome you to Klikor.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
We hope you are doing well.
Yeah, I'm doing great.
Good.
Yeah.
We are Kabacha TV.
Yeah.
We have put in on ourselves that we want to bring back the tradition, the culture, and the spiritualism of our ancient days, because we've seen that in the olden days, our elders focus basically on the spiritualism, the tradition, and the culture of Africa.
Yeah.
But till now, we, the young ones that have come now, we have neglected all that our forefathers has done for us or have been worshipping, and we are choosing to follow the white level. Now, we have decided to bring back such traditions that our ancestors have been using in those days. So we've been going around try to speak with elders who had the knowledge, the understanding about culture, tradition, and the spiritualism of Africa, so that our young ones or we and the generations to come will learn a lot from it, so that it will prosper us just as it prospers our ancestors. That's why we draw close to you today. So if you are seeing us here, that's the reason why we came.
Thank you so much. As I said, you are welcome once again.
All right.
And for the good work you guys are doing,
Sure.
I know the gods of our land, the gods of Africa, and the gods of the house that you have been to here today will surely bless you so that your works go on well. Thank you so much.
Okay.
You're welcome once again.
Thank you. So for the benefit of the doubt, maybe someone who is now watching us, or this is the first time watching us, doesn't know the particular person we are having a conversation with. So we would like you to mention your name, where you are, and the kind of work you do at your place, so that they will know the particular person we are talking to.
Thank you so much. My name is Humali.
Okay.
From Klikor. And I'm still based in Klikor, so we are talking right now.
All right.
You know, we deal with traditional. We are traditionalists, and we deal with herbal concoctions and all the spiritual matters.
Okay.
You understand?
Sure.
Any circumstance that you put yourself in, being spiritual, when you come here, your problems will be sorted out for you.
All right.
Yeah.
So when we came here earlier on, you made us know you'll be taking us around.
Yeah.
To give us some little things that you know.
Yeah.
About culture,
Okay.
spiritualism, and the tradition. So we would like you to take us around so that what you have here, you give it to us and our viewers, for all of us to benefit from it.
Thank you so much. You're welcome once again.
All right.
And it's assured that surely I'm going to take people around. You see the things we have in this house, and you see how we've been working with them and things that they have been doing for us and the humanity all as well.
Okay.
So you're welcome once again.
All right, thank you.
Yeah.
You look young. So what is the reason why a young guy like you would choose to follow the steps of our ancestors?
That is a very great question, and I like the question a lot. You know, as you see me here, I'm a graduate.
Okay.
I am a graduate.
Right.
And really, I'm doing this work for almost 7 years now. You know, this work is purposely for my mom.
Okay.
As I'm talking to you, my mom is a priestess and an initiate of Torgbui.
Okay.
Not Trokosi, Torgbui, Klikor, as I'm talking to you. And I work together with her as I'm talking to you right now. You know, yeah, people will ask, I am very young, and then why did I put myself into this kind of traditional things? Yes, but this is my culture, and this is my heritage. I can't run away from it. This is my root. You understand? So if I deny this, I know very well I will not get anything beneficial in life.
So
that is it.
You know the consequences.
I know everything. Even though, as I said, I am a graduate. I started school. I completed my school. When you get back to my schools and you research about me, they could tell you, yes, I am very good in academics. Yes, I completed my senior high school with my certificate. Nothing is wrong. I have all my grades. Trying to get some blue-collar job, but you know, our ancestors, our gods, deny me of all those things that I shouldn't. At first, when they started, I think maybe they don't want anything good for me. But when I get into it for years now, I think, no, there's something better than having a good blue-collar job.
I learned you are a science student.
Yes. I offered science.
Oh, okay.
I offered science at Hokwe, HEPS.
Okay.
Yeah, Hokwe AP Senior High School. I offered science.
Okay.
Yeah. And
so you neglecting all this, your certificate?
When at the beginning it was something very, very serious for me to live. From the beginning I thought these goals are trying to be an obstacle on my way of progress. Yeah, because I thought of a whole lot of things. You see, it had made me pass through a lot, but I got to know now I got to know really there's something serious about tradition.
So, is there any possibility that one day you will be combining both your tradition?
Yeah. I would say yes, because it is to my own benefit that I even offered science. You understand? I offered science, and do that. I offered. I went through pure biology, pure physics, and all that. You understand? So I know more about humanity and all those kind of things. Are you getting it? So that is going to help me preparing my herbal concoctions and all that things that will not damage human lives and other things. You get it?
Sure.
So I am praying and hoping that the gods will one day allow me to put that thing in conjunction with their work, and then the work move forward. And I know surely it's going to be so that we prove to the world and prove to Ghana and the world at large that yes, truly we have things.
You made us understand that you have a lot for us. So let's just move into it, because we are far behind time. Okay. So let's just flow.
All right. Then first I have to take you to the owner of the land.
Okay.
You know, when you go to any priest or priestess, when you go to such places, there's a particular God. If you don't see that God in the house, then that shrine or that place of worship is not complete. Okay. We call that one Voju Anyigbato. Okay. That God owns the land. Okay. Back from our forefathers. That is, they take words and then they move in conjunction with the words given to them by the gods. Okay. And through that, they build on this land. Okay. And they were able to withstand all other spiritual attacks and things that they can hold. They hold things on record for us to meet today. Sure. So I will first of all take you to that God, and then we'll talk small about that one, and then we'll move to the rest.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's just move on.
Okay.
All right, so my friends and my viewers, let's follow Nana.
Torgbui.
Torgbui.
Yeah, I think the same.
So Torgbui, with what you just did, am I also going to do the same thing?
Yes, you have to.
Oh, okay.
You have to.
All right.
Yeah. Before we proceed, okay, I want to just let you know about what you have just done, or what I and you have just passed through. Okay, so what we have done now is a way of greeting our gods, the gods of our line. Okay. A way of showing them respect, a way of greeting them. That is it. All right. Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Okay. So let's proceed.
So let's proceed.
Yeah. Yeah. We are here now. The God, viewers, the word of God that you are seeing right now, we call this Voju, or this God, Voju Anyigbato, or Voju Sapata.
Voju Anyigbato.
Yes.
The owner
of the land.
Of the land.
The owner of the land. Okay. Yes. This God, it is from ancients. It's God of ancients. This God is a God that has been maintaining the land for us since the time of our forefathers. Okay. Yes, it has been doing a lot. This God, it helped our forefathers in terms of war. It helps our forefathers in terms of markets, and a whole lot. Any other, needs of human in terms of spiritual issues, this God is the first God on earth that has been helping us, our forefathers, before any other God on earth. Yeah. When you want a child, maybe you are not giving birth, you're having difficulties in giving birth, you come here, there are procedures to take you through, you have some rites and rituals that will let you pass through, and for that, I assure you, you have a child. If you're having some market problems, maybe you go to market, you don't sell, or your business is not flowing well, you have things you come here will do for you. And one thing too is, in life, as human beings, at times we eat something that have been putting on a whole lot of troubles to us ourselves, that have been taking away our good lucks away. We do a whole lot of things. At times, our way of relationships have been bringing a whole lot of misfortune to us.
When you talk of relationship, yeah, which aspect of relationship?
Thank you. As humans, sometimes they talk of covenants. Okay. People normally talk about covenants. Some people, they think joining blood together, are you getting it? Or sucking one another's blood, it is the way or the most serious ways of having covenant with one another. But I can tell you today, in the name of this God, that it's a lie. We have more serious way of having covenant with one another. Thank you. It's just one. Okay. That is having an affair with a partner. The moment you are into sexual intercourse with a lady or a guy, you are having a serious covenant that is meant by God with that partner.
Which you don't need to suck blood or...
That is it.
Okay.
So in that case, if you're a lady right now and I'm a guy, are you getting it? I'm having bad intentions for you. Maybe to destroy you or something.
Okay.
Or someone has sold you out to me.
Okay.
Are you getting it?
Okay.
And maybe I don't know. You are looking pretty and things, you confront me and I think, oh, this lady is falling on me or this kind of thing. It's crashing on me on those kind of things. I'll propose to you and it will not take time for me to what? To win you, because you know your plans of coming closer to me.
Okay.
Are you getting it? So the moment I am into sexual contact with you, our souls become one, our spirit becomes one. Okay. So anytime I want to destroy you, want to call your spirit somewhere and beg your spirit, for your spirit to allow me do whatever I want to do with you, I'll easily get you. That is it. That is it.
Okay, so it means that the moment you do something or you have sex with your spirit,
automatically you are into covenant.
You are into
covenant.
Into someone.
That is why on earth you be in relationship with a lady or a guy, or you get married to a man or a woman. If you're a man, you get married to a woman. If you're a woman, you get married to a man, and your things will move forward. Meaning, in spirit, you have the same caliber. You match together and things will be okay. The same way you can get married to a counterpart and you get to see that what your job, everything is getting down. Meaning that person's spirit is overcoming yours, or that person, you guys are not of the same caliber. So when you still be with that person, you'll be destroyed totally. Are you getting it? Yes. That is the fact. That is what it is not good for we guys, especially of my age and things that, you know, excuse me, say ladies are, let's say, like sweet things that you can never neglect in life. Are you getting it?
Sure.
But it's really good to hold yourself and resist such things. Are you getting it? When you're into it, it's very difficult. Yes.
So with what you are saying,
yeah,
I'm a guy. Someone is also a girl.
Yeah.
Definitely, we all have lust in
yes,
us.
yes.
What can someone do or one do to protect?
Thank you so much for this question. I will not even allow you to finish the question before I go.
Okay.
That is why back in the days when our forefathers, when they see a lady, before they getting closer to the lady to propose or something, what they go ahead trying to find out about the family background of the lady, and even the lady herself. They do that through what? Divination and other consultations to know about the kind of spirit the lady is having and that of the background of the family background of the lady. But so doing, if the lady is a perfect match for you, you go into it. But nowadays, because of Western culture and a whole lot of things, we neglect all those kind of things, and it's putting us in a whole lot of problems. Yes.
Okay, I understand you.
Yeah.
What you are saying is about someone you had the mentality for, like you wanting to marry the person.
Yes.
What if today, like, I travel, I'm in Accra, I travel to Kumasi, and then I saw a lady. I just want to hit one, and then to bring down my last in me or something.
Do you know that? Do you know that ladies are the precious gift from God?
Okay.
That is why when you see, my father once told me, when you date a lady or you're into relationship with a lady, don't know, by all means there will be misunderstanding and a whole lot of things, but if there should be a breakup, the problem shouldn't come from you, the guy, because every lady you see on earth, either you are older or younger than that lady, is your mother automatically, because all ladies give birth. So that lady automatically is your mother. So when you do something, especially in terms of relationship, and you offend the lady, if the lady is go angry and says something, it's going to affect your life. But if you are at the safer side, before the lady is trying to do something to curse you or trying to pass through any spiritual means, please, the gods of your land, your ancestors, even your creator will not allow that to pass in your life. Yes. So seeing a lady and you have the mindset that let me just hit this lady once. See, let me tell you, right now as I'm talking to you, there are spirits that even turn themselves into ladies. Bad spirits. You understand? Maybe you have done something to someone, or someone is just having such kind of enviness for you.
Okay.
You understand? That person can go into some place and do other things for destruction. Are you getting it? So those kind of places that they have been to can turn themselves into human being, nice woman. You see the lady, because of what they have done, surely your mind will go to that lady. So when you see the lady without consulting and knowing other things about the lady, you have the mindset of hitting the lady once and you go place, you always fall into trouble. You put yourself into trouble. That is why before you get married as a young lady or a young guy, make sure go around about the guy and the family or the lady, know about the family of the lady, you yourself, you know about the person too, and then you have a perfect wife.
Okay.
Or husband.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. So thank you very much.
Yeah.
Is that the only thing you want to say about this?
No.
Okay, so Nana, in case anybody has such problems, what should one do? What should you do?
Thank you so much. That is a great question. Yes, there are so many of such problems coming our way every single day.
Okay.
And this God is there for you to help you out in such troubles. Such things brings a whole lot of bad luck. You go into your business, you not get good job. You a whole lot of things, even marital issues. You have a whole lot of problems and things. So when you have such problems, you come. There are a whole lot of things we do to you above you spiritually to drag those kind of bad lucks away from you. Bad spirit that have been following you, putting you into a whole lot of temptation. We drag them away from you, and we are free to go. And there are other ways we do. You understand? You give yourself to the God to protect you from any other bad spirits that will be sent from someone, or maybe you yourself have put yourself into, that will be giving you a whole lot of destruction in life, that you never prosper in life, because God has never made anyone to suffer in life. But the way of our way, like let's say our way of doing things, has been bringing us a whole lot of trouble. You understand? That is why at times you will see someone getting mad on the street and a whole lot. God has never created anyone to go mad. Yes, because he has made us in his own image, and it is not his intention to make anyone go mad one day. But our way of doing things, the things that we put ourselves into and a whole lot of things, make us go mad on the street. And even to the extent of putting our life to the shorter age, we die early. Are you getting it?
Okay.
So when you're having such problems, you come here to Klikor.
Okay.
Come to this house and that problem will be sorted out for you.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Wait. So let me use myself as a practical example to this victim we're talking about.
Yeah.
What if I am outside the country? I am a victim to this, but I am not in the country. I've traveled all the way. Maybe I'm in UK or in Germany, Canada, and I want help from you. How will I get close to you? Yeah.
That's one. You just have to call. When you call, you just give me your day of birth and your full name.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Okay.
Upon you giving me that, we're going to find a person. If you're a man, we'll find another man or a guy. It can be either of the same high age with you, or even some little boy that will be born on the same day.
Okay.
We'll make sure that person use your name. We'll use that person to represent you and do all other things on your behalf. And seriously, your problems will be solved. That is it.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, all right. Thank you. So I would love us to move on to somewhere else. Or you still want to say something about this?
About this, God is having a whole lot of work.
Okay.
Let's say
Yo.
Let's say you want a promotion in the work. You have been in the work for so much long, and you are not getting promotion, or your salary is not good for you, or maybe you are an entrepreneur. You own a business, and that business is not growing for you. If you're having such problems, you come or call. There are ways we take you through, and then all problems will be solved for you. Yes, that is spiritual issues for you.
Okay.
Yeah.
So apart from the gods here,
Yeah.
I've seen a lot of things around. I've seen some states, some rooms, and some eggs.
Sure.
What are the significance of? What are the significance of these things around?
Sure. Thank you so much. As you can see, these sticks, they're the walking stick of the God.
Okay.
If the God wants to step out, these are the walking sticks. And the same way, they're the sticks that the God used to strike. These are the sticks that the God used to strike. As you can see the stick with full of thorns. Full of thorns. So you can imagine if you are being hit by this stick, you can see the consequences that you'll be involved in. Are you getting it? Okay. Yes. Or you can see the consequences that will befall you. Yes. So when you go forward to the way of this God, or you offend this God, or maybe you're trying to destroy someone's life, and that person came here to hide here for solutions to his problem spiritually, and he still wants to attack that person, you'll be hit by this stick. Okay. And you can just imagine what will befall you when this stick is being used to hit you. Okay. Yeah. This broom here you are seeing is not a normal broom. The brooms you are seeing, they're just not normal. They are parts of the God. They are part of the God. We use it in so many ways.
So can you give me a few of what?
Yes. You fall sick right now. Maybe people that are here fall sick. People that are here for solutions to their problems and other things, they fall sick. And we see that sickness is spiritual. Some spirit has invoked such sicknesses on them. We use the other spiritual procedures that we pass through within this part of the gods to cure them.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
And we use them in the bathing and other things to what? To take off all the debts that you have put yourself into spiritually through your way of doing things, and by someone invoking other spirits on you. Yes.
Okay.
And so many works that this broom have been doing.
Can one do this broom personally at home?
No. You can never have this broom in your house, please. You can never.
Okay.
You understand? Before you have this broom, you have to have this God. You understand? And you don't just stand up and have this God on your own, that you just like this God and you want to have it and you have it. No. We don't do it like that. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So what of the egg? What of the egg?
Yes. Those eggs, they are things of sacrifice that this God especially demands from some people as they were here for cleansing and all that things. Yes. And this is what the God has access to do. Pull the eggs and the other things involved there, the bitter cola and other things, put them in a calabash before the God. Okay. Because he's going to use it for all that cleansing throughout the life of such people.
Okay.
Yeah.
So in terms of someone needing a protection from you, the person want to protect himself and the family, can this God also help in that?
Yes. Yes. This God, as I told you, if you have a spiritual attack and other things, this God helps you through that. But there are all other means of protection when it comes to tradition.
Okay.
All other means of tradition. What I'm putting on here is a full protection on its own. With this alone, I can go to war.
With this alone?
I swear.
With
this, I can go to war. Bullets will never penetrate me. Either knife or other sharp objects can never penetrate me. See, when I'm having this thing on my arm right now, you lock me up in a room, I'll break up the walls and go, with no hammer or anything. I'll just lean against the wall. There's some all other incantations I will do, and before you know, the walls will fall down and I move. That is it. That is the fact I'm telling you. If you want to try me, we can one day do that, and we say it for life. Wow. Yes.
Okay.
Yes. And there are other things. If like I'm having this thing on, I'm passing through the night or whatever, you want to attack me, you being a armed robber or criminal or whatever, you attack me, want to take my belongings away, I swear you destroy your life.
So can someone come for it?
Oh yeah. Yeah. See, traditionalists are there to protect everyone and the whole world. Are you getting it? So when you're here, something that you can take away to protect you and your family is allowed. See, when you're into a problem, you come to me for a solution, I have that solution and I don't help you out. I offend God, our maker. Meaning I have a way out that I can help you through. Because God from heaven cannot come down to help you or anything. It is through someone that God can help you. So when you get to know I have such things and you come to me for solution and I don't help you out, then my creator and your creator would never be happy with me. That is the fact. Thank you.
All right. I would like us to move on. All right, so let's continue.
Yeah. Thank you once again. As you can see, we are here with another God. This God, it involves a lot. When you have a view at this, you think he's just full of matter, so it's just something normal. Okay. It works a lot. It involves a lot. Please, we call this God a gu, or we call it Gbedegu.
Gbedegu.
A gu, yes.
What does that
Yes, thank you. When we talk of a gu, the camera you are using to work on all other things you are using to work here, they are a gu. A gu. That is Gbedegu. A gu pa ablijabli. A gu seberebe. A gu be pa matok pa mano. The name is even long. I don't want to continue with that. See, this God, as you're saying here, it does a whole lot of work. You understand?
So you just give us a few of that.
Thank you so much. If you are having, or you're into a work that you're not saying, you're not moving forward, you see the work is not moving forward, you're not fetching a lot from the work, please, this particular one, when you're having tools, working tools with you, just come with the working tools. We'll take the working tools to some process, we'll pray over them for you, we'll keep them here for some 3 or 7 days as demanded by the God. When you take it there, you have a perfect work. Let's say you're a mechanic, but anytime some people come to you for work, when they go, they normally complain of your way of doing things. They say, oh, the work is not perfect and other things. Yes, meaning there is a problem. Maybe from you yourself, your family you're coming from, or all other what? People around you. You understand? People that envy you just for nothing. It can come from them. Right. So when you're having such kind of problems, your own is to come only call. We just say, when you come here, we don't get up and do things on our own. You understand? We have to consult your spirit, your soul. We consult. If there's a problem, there's a spiritual death on you, we do such kind of cleansing. After that, we sort of the problem. When you get a source of your problem, the way out, we ask the gods, they ask us, do this. When you do that, you get your work perfect. You get the result perfect. So we consult the gods. What is the problem? When you call, we're going to consult your soul and the gods as well. They ask us, this is the problem. Okay? This guy has done this. That is bringing this kind of bad lucks. You understand? Or this God has disease from the forefathers, the ancestors, and things that is bringing them, that is making bad luck to be befalling him. Okay. So do this. Let them pour drink and other things to the ancestors and other things, and you do this. So upon that, when we do the cleansing and pour the libations and other things, we'll pray to you over here. Okay? You pray to you over here, and you have a perfect work. Okay. I can assure you by the name of our forefathers, no work on earth that will be done and then you still have complaints about it. Okay. Yes.
So talking about you praying on it. Yeah. But the person just come out from his house, come here, I want you to pray for this for me. Or there's something the person have to come with.
Yeah, you know what? That is what I've said earlier on. That when you come here, we don't just get up that you are here with a problem, so come, let me pray for you. No. You know, this house, we have a whole lot of gods and their way of doing things. You understand? Some of them, their way of working is similar. You can come to me and I'll get my mind that maybe the God in here will do all your work for you. That is my mindset. But not knowing this God wants to do your work for you as perfect as you want. Are you getting it? That is why you have to consult the deities, the right one that will do the right work for you and you get it perfect. Okay. Yes. Okay. That is it.
With just what you are saying right now, it drew my attention to something from a friend of mine. What if you have the zeal to do this, or you decided, I want to be a doctor. You had the opportunity. You ran the whole doctoring course. After you finish with the education, all of a sudden, you feel like you are no more ready for that. Yes. You want to choose to do something else. You run that thing to the course of that thing, and still.
Yes. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. This is a serious question.
Good.
Because such problems have been coming here in their numbers. Yes, and I can assure you they have solutions to it. You see, you know, I earlier once said something. At times, our way of doing things take us away from our success. Are you getting it? You have the zeal. You understand? You had the zeal. You have that mandate in you. The spirit in you tells you that this is the work you must do, and you work towards that. You are the end. Okay. Instead of you to work, do the work now and get your income. You are not trying to neglect that. Because of maybe you have passed through something, you have done something that is driving that favor away from you. Okay. So we see like this thing is like I'm trying to disturb myself or just no, that is it. Are you getting it? Or maybe it is maybe from the ancestors. Maybe you have done something to offend them, or maybe from any other person just because of enviness. Okay. Yes, that is why we need to consult first, know the cause of the problem, and we know how to attack it. Because if you don't know the source of something, you can never know the way of attacking it or the solution you find to it. Are you getting it? Yes, you have to know where this thing is coming from, why this thing must befall you, and that is at the same time we know the way of what attacking it so that you get your solution to it. And that is it.
All right. So, viewers, we are talking to Nana Achu at Agbozume Klikor. We are trying to find out about what he does is at his place, and he has given out a lot. So, if this is the first time you are watching us, just subscribe to our YouTube channel, which is Kabacha TV. You wait for a while, and then there's a bell will come under your screen. Just press the bell. From now on, any of the videos we will put on our channel, you'll be the first person to be notified. At the same time, we are on Facebook, so we want you to like our Facebook page. At the same time, on TikTok, like the page, just share the video and leave your comment for us. Whatever question you have for us, just ask. Nana will give you the answer to all those things. Okay, so Nana, we want to ask you, in your place or at your place, the goals you have, is it only two?
No.
Oh, okay.
No. Even you yourself, as you can testify, even at your entrance, you can see things yourself.
Yes.
You get to know that these two are not the only gods we have in this house. We have a lot of works, gods in this house. And they have their way of doing things, different way of doing things. Okay. We have it is a lot. There are a whole lot of. So next time when you come to me, I'll show you the rest of the gods we have this in this house and their way of doing things. Yes, they're all massive. They do massive works. Okay. You understand? If you're having a land issue, you're having a problem, family issue. You know, there's some of our viewers or some of our brothers and sisters. They live overseas. You understand? And they have properties, maybe lands and houses that they left down for some people to be watching over for them. Okay. And before they have stayed overseas for years, those people has gone to places to take control of those places. Okay. And when they come back, it becomes problems for them. We have things or we have gods that normally do such works, and they do it perfect. Yes. Okay. Yes. That is it.
All right.
Yeah. So next time when you come, I'll take you around. You see all of them.
Sure.
Yeah.
Nana, we want to thank you very much for your time today. We want to ask if you have any final thing to say. Just put it on.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for granting me this opportunity. You know, many are some of us that has lost our way. Okay. You understand? Many are some of us that has lost our way. You know, as I told you later from the beginning, I made you aware, you understand. So when I started with life, I have different perspective of life. Are you getting it? I have a different perspective of what? My future. But later on, it was diverted for me. So in case I lose hope, that no, I'll not get into it. By now, maybe I would have been a mad person on the street and a whole lot of things. So I can assure our people, our Africans, let's come back to our roots. Let's come back to what our forefathers left for us. And by so doing, see, you know what? Right now, as I'm here, I don't know your house. Okay. Today is your first time of coming to my house. That is when you're coming to know my house. Okay, but you knowing my house today doesn't mean you know my sisters and our way of doing things in this house.
Yes.
Are you getting it?
Yeah.
So if I have a problem, I can call you ancestors to solve those problems out for me. The same way, if I also have a problem, I can also not call your ancestors to sort out those problems for me. Are you getting it? So let's go back to what our fathers and our forefathers left for us. We go in words with them, and life will be perfect. This is causing a whole lot of distraction in our life these days.
Okay.
It's bringing a whole lot of problem. Are you getting it? Let's come together to our roots. Come together, push our heritage forward, and life will be as simple as our forefathers had left the life. Thank you so much. God bless you.
Thank you too for the good time you had for us today. Viewers, just like our brother says, we are just going back to the roots. Try to learn what our forefathers left for us so that it will go well with us. We don't want to go into doom. We don't want to go into destruction. So let's just follow the roots. Let's just do the right thing, and everything will be well for us, just like it was for our ancestors. Okay, so viewers, just as our brother said, the next time you come, we'll be taking you around for you to see all the type of gods that they have here. So the next time we meet, we'll give you more. Bye bye.